To help remind front seat occupants of the possibility of rear seat passengers or important cargo, this vehicle is equipped with a rear seat reminder system. If the rear doors are opened and closed within 10 minutes of the vehicle's power mode being switched on, the system will activate an alert when the vehicle is turned off. A reminder will appear in the digital instrument cluster and an alert will sound when the vehicle's power is set to off. Note that the system doesn't detect rear seat passengers, only rear door operation. The notification can be turned off. Rotate the selector wheel on the right side of the steering wheel to Vehicle Settings and press. Next, select Meter Setup, then Rear Seat Reminder. Finally, select Off. The alerts will remain inactive until turned back on using this procedure. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.